Comment que ça va? Le seul jour où il y a du soleil. Ah la vache, ça fait une semaine, il fait que de pleuvoir. Laisse tomber mon gars. Horrible. Bonjour. Merci. Ouais. Merci, à vous aussi. Bon, on va aller faire un petit lavage. Et puis surtout faut que je lave ça là. Surtout ça là, cette merde là. Je vais pas trop insister sur les autocollants et puis ça devrait aller. Peureux comme ça les gars. Me bouffe pas toi enfoiré. Allez ciao les filles. Pas good. Ah la vache. Bon j'espère il n'y a pas un putain de moustique qui m'a cassé les couilles parce que on est bueno. Hop. Hop. Allez.
I'm just fucking lit, man, I'm just fucking lit. Drink a bottle of this shit, man, bottle of this shit. I'm about to write a hit, man, about to write a hit. No, I'm never gonna quit, man, never gonna quit. I just took another hit, man, took another hit. I'm about to lose my shit, man, about to lose my shit. Does she have a fucking wristband? Yeah, she needs that shit. Better get her out real quick, man, get her out real quick. Are you the present or the future? Are you a drinker or a boozer? Are you a giver or a user? Are you a winner or a loser? Yeah. And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. I swore that I would never fucking back down. I got nothing to miss, man, got nothing to miss. Are you the present or the future? Are you a drinker or a boozer? Are you a giver or a user?